What's up, Homers? Back again with me, Putra, on Homemade Studio channel. In my previous video, guys, I've showed you how to using QuickMagic AI to make your own motion capture using a simple video footage that you can record. And in this video, in this tutorial, I'm gonna be take that step further to make some fighting scene between Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and a thief. And yeah, we're gonna be make the awesome movie scene animation on Blender. And yeah, because QuickMagic AI was our sponsor for the day, make sure you check them out on the description and open the link that have been shared to you. And by doing that, you also support me to make more awesome video like this, guys. And yeah, with no taking longer of your time, guys, let's jump into the tutorial. Let's go. Alright, for this project, I record three different videos to capture a complete motion sequence. The main character in this case is the Miles Morales, Spider-Man, and also I'm gonna be played the Thief as the second character. After you have been record all the video that you need to go to the description and open the link that I've been shared to you on the description and open it into a quick magic and yes, sign in or maybe sign up because I already having account, so I need to click a quick login and choose my account by just click continue with Google. Yeah, I'm gonna be blur it for you because it's my privacy, guys. After you on a quick magic, the second thing that you need to do is go to the AI mocap. Now you need to open the video, the file video that you have, and now you just need to drag and drop the video that you have into a quick magic, just like that. And now the video is gonna be analyzed. It's gonna be take some a moment, and after you done it, you need to cut this video. And yeah, we having my stupid face over here, so that's why we need to cut the video. And yeah, put this line into where the video when you already have the nice pose. In this case is gonna be over here, and just click this scissors button and go at the end of your video where you're gonna place it and just cut it using this sensor over here. Now the whole video is already set up into your rig character, and yeah, just choose your format output over here, and in this case I'm gonna be recommended to you to using this Mixamo format. And now you need to just click next. Make sure you follow this setup, and now you just need to click generate. So these three project over here was the three video that you watched before. The first video was supposed to be the animation for our Miles Morales, but when I ran it through QuickMagic AI, boom, the part of the animation was missing, and now we having glitching. Yeah, classic AI movement, right? That's why I record the other one over here, guys, because yeah, the other video that we've been generate before is had some really awful lighting, so it's not work perfectly. But in this one, yeah, it's working so good. Now you just need to click the video that you just import. You'll see the video is already rigged and already animated. And after that, you need to just click the download button over here, and the video now is gonna be download, and yeah, it's gonna be on a zip format. Now you just need to right click and just choose WinRAR, and yeah, choose extract here. And here is our FBX rig, and yeah, now we need to just doing it 3 times and we good to go to the Blender. In Blender, we already having some character from a Sketchfab that I'm already download from CVRX Art. Here was the artist. Maybe you can download the model tool from him, and yeah, after we already have the Miles Morales model, we need to remove all the bones that already included in this character. So we click the bones and just click delete, and now everything is back at the original pose. And I think I need to remove everything except the object over here, to make sure we have no problem after we export this particular character. I think I'm gonna be joining this eye over here with the body. We just click Ctrl and J, and now everything got be in one object. And after that, the next thing that I need to do was go at the file and just choose export and just choose FBX. And the reason why we're doing this is because we need to import our model into a Mixamo and adding some typos. That's why I'm recommending you to use Mixamo output before to make sure we don't have any problem when we import the rig. And just choose restore operator default. On the pad mode, choose copy and click this button over here. And yeah, just put it wherever you want and just click export. Just like that. Now we need to go on the Mixamo. We need to upload the character and just choose this select character file and go at the where you place the character, and I just need to choose this file over here, the FBX, and just click open, just like that. And here is our character. You don't need to worry if this character don't have any texture, and we just need to click next, and we're going to be fix this texture at the next steps. And we need to put this dot at the right angle, at the right position. One, I'm going to be choose the chin. This should be over here at the center, and yeah, you know the idea, guys. And now everything is done. The next thing that I need to do was just go at the next button. And here it is, our Miles Morales already rig. And yeah, I'm just need to click next and next again. And yeah, we already having some animation over here, and maybe you can just choose in a lot of animation. But in this case, I'm not going to be use any of this animation because I only need to use the T-pose of this character. So I need to just click X on the animation preset over here. And yeah, we think we need to just click download and just choose this T-pose and just click download. And now the download already done, and we need to just open the file, make sure where we place this character, and after that we need to go at the blender again, and now we need to just click file and import our character, import and just choose FBX. Here is our character and just click import FBX. And now we already have this Spiderman Miles Morales with the T-pose with so easily, guys. And now I think I need to just move the character a little bit on the x-axis, G and X, just like that. And yeah, I think I need to remove this camera over here. And after we already have this character and have this Spider-Man, we need to put this texture from the original character into this new model. And I need to just click the model over here, the Spider-Man, and just go to material. And now you just need to choose the color version of this couple of texture and make sure you choose the texture with the same name. And now we need to just open this button over here, and yeah, now you just need to choose the head with the head color version and the eyes with the eyes color version, and everything now is done. After we have the whole thing that we need, now I think I just need to select this character and go at the modifier and apply it and remove the amateur and go at the x-axis, rotate the character the x-axis and just write it 90, just like that. Now we just need to scale it until it's lined with original character, and after we scale the character to make it line with the old character, we can just remove the old character just like that. And now after the model is ready, now it's time to us to import our animation. For import our mocap, go into import and just choose FBX, and yeah, just search where you place the FBX, the rig before, and in this case, in on Project Spiderman, in my case, yeah, and go and just select the FBX and go into the import button, and yeah, here it is. And now the thing that we need to do was to select everything and just move on the x-axis and remove everything except the bone. And now go at the data and don't forget to choose rest position. And now we have the Spider-Man and the rig with the T-pose. Now align the rig until it align with the Spider-Man, and don't forget to scale it down the rig until yeah it's gonna be a little bit more perfect. Go at the data again and just choose in front to make sure we can see the bone inside the Spider-Man. And for making it more perfect, we need to go at the edit, we just click tab and yeah, put the every rig over here into the right position at the Spider-Man bone. And you got the idea, guys. So I'm gonna be skip this part and yeah, everything now fit perfectly. And yeah, now we just need back to the object mode, and now we need to click A and make sure the bone is more bright and orange and everything. Just click Control and P and choose a parent with automatic wake. Now the bone and the character is done, and don't forget to change again the rest position into the pose position back again. And yeah, now we have the animation on our Spider-Man. And to make it more longer, you need to open the timeline and select the bone and maybe go at the pose mode to make sure how long is the animation actually is, and go at the end of the frame and just drag it up and make sure you cover all of the frame. And now back again at the object mode, so maybe we can delete all of this empty. And if you notice, guys, the eyes over here was not touch the head, so we're gonna be fix it by go at the y-axis and go into white paint and just choose the vertex group for the head. And don't forget to X this neck and choose the head and rise it up the wake and paint the whole eyes, guys, and everything is gonna be normal when we back into object mode again. And now we done painting, and yeah, let's go back again into the object mode, guys. Yep, the eyes is fixed, and now is the time to us to bring the other mockup and combine it with this mockup. And for adding the other mockup, you just need to go at the file and just import and click the FBX again. Yeah, just do the same thing as before, guys. Here is our file and just click import again. Just move a little bit at the x-axis, G and X, put it over here a little bit far. And yeah, because we don't need this character, so we need to remove the whole thing of this character and let the bone only. And yeah, we're gonna be remove some couple of this frame and only use the back of the frame to make our Spider-Man mocap complete. Just click delete, and yeah, now we need to add some couple of three windows, guys. First is the timeline, second is the top sheet, and the last one is the nonlinear animation. And change the top sheet as the action editor, and change the name of our animation as the Spider-Man Action 2, because this one is the Action 1, of course. And yeah, just click this push down over here. And yeah, don't forget to do the same thing at the Spider-Man. Change it, the name, write it, the Spider-Man Action 1. Just click push down, and just like that. Now we need to add this keyframe into this motion capture. How to do that is we need to add the new action over here and just change the action as Spider-Man Action 2, and now we have it. And yeah, just push it down, and now we have two clip over here. And how to use this clip is go at the end and just give some more space into our keyframe, and yeah, to make sure it's cover the whole animation. just like that. Just zoom in and go at NLA setting and interpolation from hold, change it into a nothing. And yeah, just like that. Now we need to just add some blend in to make the transition between the clips is more smoother. By just doing that, now the whole motion capture is complete. Now we don't have any glitching because we have been combined the whole clips. Yeah, we have everything right now. Now is the time to us to add the other character. For the chief, I'm gonna be use some model from example this black guy over here and use some couple preset like run, stop, and tired run. And yeah, I'm gonna be use the same method as before and combine it with our motion capture. And yeah, everything now is complete. For the CD, I already downloaded some model from Sketchfab. It was from artist that called Abayax was the artist. And yeah, now we just need to put it into a blender. In Blender, we just need to import the GLB, and yeah, for the city, I'm gonna be making more building over here. So I duplicate it, the building, and just place it wherever I want. And yeah, adding another building on Blender kit is gonna be making more detail. And for importing the character, you need to grab the file and just choose a pen. And here is our three character. It's the Miles Morales first, and yeah, we just need to choose object and select everything. We just click A and click append. And the reason why we're doing that is then just click import is because we make our character Spiderman and Chief is in a different file in a different project to make our file not too heavy and remove everything except the Spiderman. After we importing everything that we need, we now just need to adding some couple of light, adding some camera, put our character in the perfect angle that we want and animate it using some empty, adding some fog, and adding more atmosphere on our project. And I'm also even adding some compositing and add some glow to make the light more, glowing. And that is basically it. That is the whole tutorial. And yeah, and here is the result. And yeah, that is the result, guys. It's not perfect yet, but I hope you can enjoy this video and got the idea how to create that motion capture animation. And yeah, I think that's it. That's all. Don't forget to click like, guys. Write some comment, ask me anything. I'm gonna be answer that question, and maybe I'm gonna be make the idea of that question to my next video. And yeah, because of that, don't forget to click the subscribe button and check the bell button, and make sure you watch my next video by doing that. And yeah, I think that's it. That's all. And one thing, guys, that I always say to you, that your mind is the only limit. So goodbye.